टोटल पैकेज ऑफ 60 to 80 lakhs। मे बी आई थिंक उनके पास एक बगल में पेपर था सोल्यूशन का, वो वाला सोल्यूशन उन्हें नहीं मिला, तो उन्होंने कहा कि टाटा बाय बाय। तो नमस्कार दोस्तों, कैसे हैं आप सब। दिस वीडियो इज अबाउट माई इंटरव्यू एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ Atlassian फॉर SD2, दैट इज योर Atlassian का P40 लेवल। I'll walk you through the whole process, but उसके पहले let's talk about Atlassian. Atlassian is a remote first product company which is known for its notoriously high paced work, and I must tell you it is not easy to get in there. Very tough selection process. I gave a full loop. It was a total of 7 rounds, even for SD2 level 7 rounds. आज की डेट में पता नहीं कौन लेता है, but these people do because of two things. I think remote first is in very high demand since COVID. Second thing, इनका compensation is at par with other big tech companies. So let's talk compensation. At P40 level, they provide a total package of 60 to 80 lakhs. Unheard of. Big tech के अलावा कहीं पे भी नहीं मिलेगा ये, Atlassian में मिल रहा है। बेस कंपोनेंट जनरली रेंज करता है 35 से 55 के बीच में। दैट डिपेंड्स ऑन योर इंटरव्यू, योर एक्सपीरियंस, योर प्रीवियस एक्सपीरियंस वगैरह वगैरह। देन देयर इज अ वेरिएबल कंपोनेंट ऑन टॉप ऑफ इट। मोस्टली बिग टेक में कोई वेरिएबल कंपोनेंट नहीं होता है, दे जस्ट गिव यू स्टॉक्स, बट यहाँ पे देयर इज अ वेरिएबल कंपोनेंट ऑल्सो। दे ऑफर स्टॉक्स एंड अ लॉट ऑफ अदर बेनिफिट्स जो कि बाकी सब भी ऑफर करते हैं, लाइक मेडिकल इंश्योरेंस एंड अ बेनिफिट्स पास। दे ऑल्सो गिव यू अ मंथली वर्क फ्रॉम होम स्टाइपेंड। सो इतने ज़्यादा पर्क्स Atlassian प्रोवाइड करता है, दैट इज़ वाई दे हैव अ वेरी thorough and a very hard, very difficult interview process even for SD2 level. So let's start with the process. The first round is the online assessment. It has general DSA questions. अगर आप SD2 level का इंटरव्यू देने जा रहे हैं, that means you have more than 3 years of experience. I guess this round is not a problem for you, so इसको skip करते हैं। Next one is the pre-screening round. इसको लोग कैरेट राउंड भी कहते हैं। बाहर आप नेट पे सर्च करेंगे तो कैरेट राउंड के नाम से आपको कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलेगी। Carrot is basically a third party that assesses candidates on certain parameters that is provided by the company. इस राउंड का पर्पस ये जानना होता है कि जो कैंडिडेट हमने शॉर्टलिस्ट किया है रेज्यूमे से, वो किस लेवल पे लायक होता है। अगर मैंने SD2 के लिए अप्लाई किया है, so do I fit the SD2 criteria, or do I fall on the SD3 criteria, or do I fall on the SD1 criteria? तो कैंडिडेट का लेवल समझने के लिए Atlassian आउटसोर्स करता है कैरेट को ये राउंड, और इसका स्ट्रक्चर बहुत यूनिक होता है। देयर आर टाइम बाउंड सिस्टम डिज़ाइन क्वेश्चंस, मतलब कि 5 मिनट में आपको एक सिस्टम डिज़ाइन का क्वेश्चन दिया जाएगा या फिर एक स्पेसिफिक कंडीशन दी जाएगी, उसमें आपको पेन पॉइंट्स निकाल के बताने हैं या फिर सोल्यूशंस बताने हैं कि क्या कर सकते हैं, क्या नहीं कर सकते हैं। Why would one solution work better than the other, कुछ ऐसा। So there are 5 questions, very specific questions about system design. लिमिट होती है I think 3 या 4 मिनट्स की, उसके अंदर ही आपको सारा आंसर देना होता है। एंड देन देयर आर जनरल DSA क्वेश्चंस, कोडिंग क्वेश्चनस। दोस आर जनरली इजी, बट कभी कभी डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चंस भी आ जाते हैं। इसका पर्पस ये नहीं कि आप प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर पा रहे हैं, इसका पर्पस बस आपकी एनालिटिकल थिंकिंग देखना है कि आप कैसे प्रॉब्लम को अप्रोच कर रहे हैं। एंड एटलीस्ट अगर आप एक वर्किंग सोल्यूशन तक पहुंच पाए, एंड इवन बियॉन्ड दैट अगर आप ऑप्टिमाइज कर रहे हैं, देन दैट इज वेरी एक्सेलेंट। तो ट्राई टू गिव एज मेनी पॉइंट्स in the system design questions and try to give very accurate points, क्योंकि if you beat around the bush तो उन्हें समझ में आ जाएगा कि that you don't know about the problem। और coding में try to solve one question completely, उसके बाद everything else is a bonus. Majorly your system design questions determine your level. So this round went well. I had applied for SD2 and I got the email that I will interview for P40 only, that is SD2 only. So that was expected. Next up, सबसे पहला round था data structures and algorithm का। तो that was very easy. There were 2 problems, 2 very easy DSA problems, and I think अगर आप regularly practice कर रहे हैं, this would be very easy for you then. So 2 easy DSA problems in round 1. Next round was the low level design round, the LLD round, and this was a very practical round. You have to write the code to actually solve the problem they are giving you. और आप जितनी जल्दी, जितना अच्छा और structured code लिख सकते हैं using all the low level design principles like the solid principles and all the design patterns जो आप use कर सकते हैं, और जितना जल्दी code लिख सकते हैं, that is just a bonus. Majorly यहाँ पे आपकी thinking skills, analytical skills देखे जाते हैं। यहाँ पे आप कितनी cleanly code लिखते हैं फर्स्ट टाइम में, वो देखा जाता है। एंड LLD का तो जानते ही भाई आप लोग कि कैसे जज करते हैं। तो वो मुझे बताने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। तो आफ्टर द एक्चुअल LLD क्वेश्चन, उसमें भी कुछ 3-4 सब पार्ट्स थे। उसके बाद आई वाज आस्क्ड सम जनरल क्वेश्चंस अबाउट डिज़ाइन पैटर्न्स, सॉलिड प्रिंसिपल्स एंड क्लीन कोडिंग, कन्वेंशंस अक्रॉस languages. I chose Java as a language, so interviewer also worked on Java. So उन्होंने Java से related जो भी conventions थे वो सब पूछे. And that was all. Now comes the hard part, the system design. It was a hard problem. It was a web crawler. So I had worked with web crawlers before, so I gave my perspective, my experienced answers. But for some reason, I'll tell you at the end what happened. Interviewer खुश नहीं लग रहा था. So I think the major problem here was that the person who was taking my HLD interview was much less experienced. I think they just had 2 years of experience. They were just like newly promoted or something, and they were just given to go ahead and take an interview. So they couldn't quite understand my perspective on the web crawler, whatever was the solution that I provided. Even during the interview, I could tell कि the interviewer is not impressed with my answers. Maybe I thought कि जो design मैंने बताई है, the components that I have used, I think maybe there is some problem with that. I double checked, I checked with AI, I checked on the net. What is better? इससे better हो सकता है क्या कर सकते हैं और इसको fast बनाने के लिए, या फिर if I want to quickly make an MVP तो कैसे कर सकते हैं. So I was quite confused कि why interviewer was not accepting the answers that I'm providing, and that is purely luck. If you get a senior good interviewer, that is a staff level or a senior level interviewer, they would understand your perspective as well, and then they would eventually try to make that system better. But here it was more of a monologue than a conversation on the design. The interviewer was quite silent. So that is just luck. यहाँ पे luck का खेल है कि आपको कैसा interviewer मिल रहा है. Then the next round was the managerial round. And I would admit कि I had given a few interviews before that, but the managerial round की I did not have a good practice. So managerial rounds generally ask behavioral questions. So like, what would you do if you are in this situation? How would you resolve a conflict between two colleagues, or between a colleague and a manager, or a conflict between you and the manager, or a conflict between two managers that affects your work. तो कुछ इस तरीके के questions, या फिर questions like कि you have these many priorities and you cannot work on all of them have tight deadlines. How would you choose? How would you prioritize? So these kind of general questions are asked, and mostly they try to ask questions related to your previous experience, that okay, has it happened before that you had multiple priorities and you have to choose one? So what did you choose? How did you choose? And if a project was running behind on time, what was your approach to complete it on time? So questions like that. And these questions have a very set way of answering, और इन questions का आंसर बहुत ही सेट तरीके से देना होता है. So I didn't have a lot of practice, so the interviewer might have thought that okay, this person might not be the best fit for this role or the way we work. In these rounds you have to portray कि you are basically ready for anything, all the difficult situations, but that is the impression the manager should get. Well, moving on, the last round, the 7th round, was a culture fit round. It was again some general questions about the culture. How would you deal with this? How would you deal with that? You know, the usual about a challenging task that you had. Tell me about the time you failed. ऐसे घुमाने फिराने वाले questions. So that was it. That was the 7-round haul of Atlassian. At the end, काफ़ी like 1 से 1.5 महीने wait करने के बाद, they gave me a decision that okay, you're not selected for further discussions. And when I asked for feedback, so they said they cannot provide specific feedback, but they said that HLD and managerial rounds had a negative feedback. Managerial I could understand because I had not practiced in that way, but for HLD I was very surprised because I thought I did a good job, but the interviewer had something else in mind. Maybe I think उनके पास एक बगल में पेपर था सोल्यूशन का, और वो पेपर वाला देख रहे थे, वो वाला सोल्यूशन उन्हें नहीं मिला, तो उन्होंने कहा कि टाटा बाय बाय. तो होता है, ऐसा होता रहता है, depends on luck, wherever your luck takes you. So that is it, that is all for this video. एक सब्सक्राइबर कम होने के गम में ये वीडियो हाजिर था. तो कैसा लगा बताओ ज़रा कमेंट्स में. और कोई क्वेश्चंस हो रिगार्डिंग Atlassian या फिर of the interview process, about anything else, drop it down in the comments below. अगर आपने यहाँ तक देखा है, so thank you so much for watching. मिलेंगे किसी और वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय.